Hello, welcome to Brother B's Bees. I am doing a follow-up oxalic acid treatment on a few of my hives. In fact, I'm going to do all of them over the next couple of days. At least that's my plan. I treated them all about a month ago, and this is a follow-up treatment. I'm going to try in this process to use my GoPro to see if we can get a look at what's going on inside the hive during the treatment. In other words, see what's happening with the wand and the vapors. Hope you enjoy. It's 50 degrees today. Typically, you want to do oxalic acid treatments when the temperature is between 40 and 60. That is about right down the middle as you can get. Using my new Kent Williams Hive tool today. Kent designed this several years ago when he had two Hive tools that he cut in half and took the parts from each tool that he wanted and spliced them together to make his own tool. He just welded them together, and so thus you had the beginning of this. And so I have three different Hive tools I use. I've got this one. I will try it out today. So what I'll be doing is prying out my entrance reducer right here, this pink part, and then I will set up my GoPro as well as the light. I will insert the wand, plug it up with these pieces of cloth, and we'll see if we can tell what's going on inside. you to hear the roar in the hive while that smoke is in there. We put their feeder back in place, so I'll put the lid back on, close them back up. Okay, we treated a couple of our hives this evening. It's a second treatment for the 2 hives. I've got 4 more hives I'm going to treat probably tomorrow. I wanted you to see some footage of what it looks like inside the hive while this is going on. So we shot one view from the bottom where you can see the fumes going upward, and then we shot one view from the top, and this was a 2-box hive. I was at a recent bee conference where I overheard a beekeeper talking about the fact that the fumes don't go all the way up into the top of the hive. Well, one of the things that I think you probably saw while I was doing this is that the fumes came from the bottom right up through the top, and this is a pretty deep hive. So the point is, you don't have to put the wand in the top of the hive to get those fumes all the way through the hive. You can put it in the bottom and they go right on up to the top. So anyway, maybe it gave you an insider's view. Thanks for joining me today for Brother Bee's Bees.